Do you ever feel like you're sabotaging your own life in slow motion? Like you know you're making choices that pull you away from who you want to be, but you keep repeating them anyway? It's subtle, it's daily, and you can't quite explain why everything feels slightly off. If you have ever felt that, this video is for you. Because the problem isn't your potential, it's your habits. In this video, I share the 10 worst habits that sabotage your beauty and health. And believe me, if you fix the last one, your life can change for the better. 1. Ignoring your needs. Ignoring the signals of your body is not strength. It is silent self-betrayal. You override hunger, you override exhaustion, you push through everything, and your nervous system never gets relief. When your body stays in survival mode for too long, it shows up physically. Dull skin, hormonal breakouts, heavy eyes. Attractive energy requires internal safety. What changes this? Self-care. 3 times a day, pause and ask, what does my body need right now? Water? Movement? Sunlight? Then respond. Not perfectly, just honestly. When your body feels heard, inflammation drops, sleep improves, hormones stabilize. Your facial muscles soften because they are no longer bracing against constant stress. 2. Self-punishing nutrition. Food is not the enemy, but alcohol, smoking, and other substances quietly work against you. The real issue is emotional numbing. Many people eat to distract themselves from stress. Others drink to relax after a long day or smoke to take the edge off. In the moment, it feels like relief, but biologically, it creates the opposite effect. What you consume is the fuel of your life. Just like a high-performance machine, the quality of the fuel determines how well it runs. Start with simple strategies. Follow the 80-20 rule. Include protein with every meal. Drink water before caffeine. Within a few weeks, you start noticing changes. Look at Cara Delevingne. The top model went through a period where heavy partying, alcohol, and substance use visibly drained her health and energy. But when she stepped away from that lifestyle and focused on recovery and sobriety, the difference in her presence became clear. The lesson is simple. Your body reflects how you treat it. 3. Sleep sabotage. Sleep is not optional. Sleep deprivation raises cortisol, which stores belly fat, reduces collagen, increases under-eye darkness. You literally age faster. Protect sleep like strategy. Same bedtime daily. No scrolling in bed. Dark room. Morning sunlight within 30 minutes. Within 10 days of consistent sleep, your skin brightens, your eyes clear, your mood stabilizes. Sleep is invisible beauty work. 4. Low-effort style. What you wear affects how you move. In psychology, this is called enclothed cognition. Loose, wrinkled, careless outfits produce careless posture. Structured, fitted clothing produces composed movement. You don't need luxury, you need intention. Clean lines, neutral palette, polished shoes. When you dress intentionally, your brain adjusts your behavior to match the standard. You feel better, you sit straighter, your confidence grows. Good styling isn't superficial, it reflects how you show up in life. Effort communicates value to yourself and to the world around you. 5. Self-sabotage words shape identity. Identity shapes behavior. If you constantly say, I'm ugly, I look horrible, I'll never be one of those girls, your brain adapts to that narrative, and once your brain accepts that identity, it behaves accordingly. You invest inconsistently, you quit early, you avoid visibility, you sabotage progress. This is subtle, but powerful. The solution is not fake affirmations. It is neutral discipline. Shift from identity to standards. Instead of, I look ugly, say, I'm beautiful no matter what. I deserve to be loved. I am here to grow, and I make the best effort to do so. That sentence changes effort and creates action. 6. Living without passion or creation. Consumption kills magnetism. Scroll, work, sleep, repeat. When your life becomes passive, your energy flattens. Attractive people feel alive. They have something that excites them outside of validation. Creation changes your chemistry. It increases dopamine naturally. It improves posture because your body engages. It improves mood because you experience progress. It does not need to be dramatic. Find hobbies, dance, sports writing, learning French, cooking intentionally. When you create, your eyes light up, and that light is visible. It is the difference between someone existing and someone expressing. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing even if I'm not paid for it? That's where your passion often lives. 7. Living without direction. No goals, no direction, no structure. Without direction, you leak energy unconsciously. You compare more. You seek validation more. You feel behind more. Goals create structure. Even one clear goal stabilizes you. I want to improve my fitness. I want to build savings. I want to upgrade my wardrobe intentionally. Direction removes desperation, and desperation is one of the least attractive energies. Clarity is power. Write down where you want to be in 1 year, and if you want, share it in the comments to make it even more real. 8. Chronic stress. Stress becomes visible. Jaw clenching, tight lips, a tense face. It hardens you. When you are stressed for a long time, your body believes you are in danger all the time. It releases stress hormones that were meant for short emergencies, not for everyday life. Daily regulation rituals matter more than occasional spa days. If you want a powerful routine, try this daily. Morning sunlight, a 10-minute walk without your phone, slow breathing exercises, consistent sleep, daily meditation, even only for 10 to 15 minutes. This can significantly calm your nervous system. 9. Broken self-trust. And with the final habit, we arrive at the biggest trap many people fall into: broken self-trust. If you constantly break promises to yourself, you weaken your identity. I'll start Monday. I'll wake up early. I won't text him. I'll take better care of myself. And then you do the opposite. Each time your brain learns, she doesn't mean what she says. Identity shapes posture. You start moving like someone who doesn't believe in herself. Attractive women are not perfect. They are consistent. And you can become that too. Start small. One promise. Keep it. Self-trust is visible, and that is how you glow. Start today. Your best version is already inside you.